Welcome to Michael Hyde on YouTube, where you can do what you make.
Hello!
Welcome to Behind the Boot, everybody.
We hope that you're having a great day wherever you are.
We're right in the middle of March break,
Yes, we are here at the Rose Theatre in Brampton.
Ontario, and we're still in full winter right now, which is great.
Yeah, check out. Oh no, I can't show you the snow. I was going to, but the blinds are closed.
So,
It's a full-on snowstorm here in Brampton.
yeah,
so.
so we're about to do our second show right now, so we thought we'd just kind of tune in and say hello.
Hello and happy March break, and tell us what you're doing for March
Yeah.
break this week. We would love to hear your plans. Just write them below.
Write them down.
Write them down. Tell us. Should we sing a song?
Yeah. Let's do what's it called? Don't forget that I love you.
I love you, sweetie pie. You're the apple of my eye. I wrote this song thinking of you. You simply have a way of making each and every day a little more special. Yes, it's true. And don't forget that. Oh, and welcome to Behind the Boot. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. It is Family Day here in Ontario, and I'm spending Family Day with my grandma learning how to make jam because I have never done it before. So here's Grandma. So we're making a spiced cranberry jam, great with turkey or tofurkey if you're like me. So here we go. What are we doing now, Graham?
Well, we have cooked the sauce, and we are keeping it at a maximum temperature because we don't want any little things that shouldn't be in jam to be in this jam. So we're boiling them out. We've taken the jars and we've boiled them, and now we're putting.
Hey everyone, welcome to Behind the Boot.
Hi!
I just started.
I wasn't ready.
I think you looked ready.
I hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
We just finished day one of CNE. It's an 18-day run here in Toronto at the exhibition grounds.
And it was a hot one.
It was so hot, and so many families came out
There's
today,
the sun.
which is incredible. You danced, you sang, and we're gonna be here for the next 17 days.
What?
And Lily,
Lily. Oh yeah.
she loves the
Lily
X.
loves the CNE because she finds French fries everywhere
Oh, that's the best.
on the floor.
Hope you're enjoying the last. Not the last. There's so much.
We got a lot of summer left.
I know, but it feels like the summer
full
ends
weeks.
in Toronto because like when the X starts. But there's so much more of the summer, so we're hoping you're having a great day.
Don't bump into the thing.
Nope, I'm voting all the things, guys. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Day 2 of CNE. Bye.
Bye.
All right, everybody, welcome to Behind the Boot. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
We are here at the CNE in Toronto.
And all these fine folks have something to say. Here we go. Oh boy, having fun in Toronto, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.